What are you doing, Michaela? In the water? Are you wet? Is it raining? Yeah. Were you playing in the rain? Yeah. Is it fun? Oh, Bo doesn't want to play? No, he doesn't want to get wet. Go show me. Yeah. That was empty last night. That's how much it's rained today, but now it's full. Is that your water? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's poop on the ground. We gotta clean it up. But I'm gonna wait till it's done raining. You have water? Where'd you get it? Where did the water come from? Did it come from the sky? Yeah. Is it raining on your head?
No.
No? I think so.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. You are back. Yeah. Okay, be back. See you later. You are outside. Go play. Mhm.